Hi guys, I just want to show you quickly how to turn on closed captioning for our Google Meet and also how to translate closed captioning from English to Spanish. So down at the bottom of your screen, you should have this little thing that says turn on captions. You need to turn them on for yourself. I cannot turn it on so that you can see it. So if you want closed captioning, you got to click on that. And what will happen is as I speak, it's going to put it across the bottom of your screen. If you want to change it to Spanish, you're going to right-click on the captions, and there should be a translate option here. Mine is preset to Spanish, but you might have to select the language. And then it is going to have to think a little bit to translate from English into Spanish. But you can see that it's putting what I'm saying into Spanish. So if you need that help, that is how you do it.